You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
How police go enter here? Our own cabal, our own unit. Come carry boss, come out. Who them be? Who give them mind? Who give them liver?
Eh? But you get with I no understand. So people say we go come out for this camp before this thing can happen. Why now? What we still there they do?
See, guy, no the young careless. No the young careless. That will not be the matter on ground. See, spirit. What me they talk be say? Those people, those police are waiting they call themselves. They no fit just enter our camp anyhow, just call Jean our boss come out. They know who be vampire. Eh? Vampire like their mate, so they go just Jean vampire like that come out. Who just enter that police station, start everywhere, knock things, you know, just knock things, rescue our boss. That be my own.
I dey reason this thing. I just dey reason this thing. Before these people go enter this place like that, come carry our boss. My brother, I don't look at no be ordinary thing. No be ordinary thing.
No be lie. Before these people go come here, come carry our boss, come over here. We will come beat to them. Now you check am, reason am. My own suggestion be say make we find way come up from this bush.
Hey, shit, come on, shut up. Boss, come on, boss. Are you insane? See this mobile where we just bring on board. If they are the talk nonsense, they challenge. Run to where? Run go where? To where? I say, if I hear your mouth again, shut up. If I hear him, I go waste you here. I go blow your skull here. Your blood go scatter here and nonsense.
Please, why you go waste them now? Eh? I go waste them. If they try this not something, for what you do, if they try bring it on a Coluche, you say you go waste them. Waste them, say what happen now?
Come on, shut up. You want to challenge me? You didn't challenge me? Look at this boy, yo. See him?
Spirit.
If you open mouth again, if you open mouth, don't speak again.
Oga, why not keep me here now? Oga, who the make that noise yourself? Huh? Mr. Man, what happened? Why you restore the whole place?
Oga, no verse now. Una keep me here since morning. Una no give me food, no water.
Which hunger? Now maybe your father will carry come here, who will give you food. Huh? If I hear noise here again, you don't talk for never like this. If I come back here and hear noise, I will bob their head for you. See Bella with the chop food.
No blame you now. Now all the food we are supposed to eat, now you don't carry food your belly, so belly be like cow. Come that fire you there. I'll catch you for bush, but no how far.
I think say no if you collect.
See, guy. You need to want to just see and be saying, I want you just say they don't shoot down. This guy don't buy, they don't delete down. And look at.
I didn't say no if you collect.
But you don't collect.
Don't collect now. Don't collect.
Don't collect. This is your airline.
Agbe, no one told you. Not today.
As
today you don't be. This good news waiting for this town. See, baby don't laugh.
Every man they wait for, I dey wait for time they will talk say they don't shoot it down. They don't buy.
I said, what? Get on those.
Only this one do, Agbe, only this one do. Agbe,
see, why don't die? Today, I don't do guys, no, I'm down. But today, I don't declare public holiday for myself. I'm not working now.
When they holiday, when they for me say, I don't do for town. They don't shoot down. They don't buy. Don't die.
Stand down now. Stand there.
This one do, I believe Agbe.
Small. No answer. No.
Hey, Nani. Oh yeah.
What is it? Is
Now you won't believe what I just heard.
What did you hear?
That police has finally arrested the Zuna in the city for real.
Hey, Abiola, the cho.
Hey!
Who told you? Have you people started with this your rumor again? Nebidola?
That has been my dream, that this boy should go to jail. Man, this is not rumor. I am telling you the truth. Even the Mazoko son that just came back from the city told us that the news is everywhere. Hey, Nai! Hey!
That boy, Ababelegu, that boy deserves death. He will soon be released.
Hey!
And I don't know how he does that.
Nai, the way I heard it, this boy is not going to come out alive. Hey! It has been my dream. Nai.
Okay. I need to go to Mazoko's son. I will go to his son direct. And if this rumor that you told me now is truth, I'm going to shut. Even though I know that backyard, I get we are. Hey, the first time we are communicating with Hebaru. Oh, we know a plantain, chu. Get on a potato, chu. In on a mango, chu.
Whether you go or not, I am telling you the truth. Now, it calls for celebration.
See, young man, the deed has been done. The only way we can make things work is exactly what we are doing now. You need to relinquish unto us the hideout of your boys. After then, we can settle things amicably.
Vampire, if Ujuanya. Say you think say I'll be fool, Abby? You think I'm a fool? Me, tell you where my boys are. Why don't you ask for the possible rather than asking for the impossible? I cannot tell you that. Besides, I don't care. I'm not negotiating with anybody. I'm not doing any negotiation. You guys better be careful.
Listen. This your arrogancy will not help you. It will not sort out this whole thing for you. You better tell us where your boys are hiding so that we can get hold of them and sort out these things. Are you hearing me?
I don't want any settlement. To hell with you people and your settlement. Now once person they die now. Adam, I'm not sorting anything out with any of you. The only settlement I want now is for you people to allow me go. Let me go and face my business. See, I don't want to have the belief that you people want to do something funny to me, because my boys get when they're in the fan.
Quiet! I said quiet! Listen, you don't have the right or effrontery to threaten any of us here. Alright? See, let me tell you something. With what you have done so far, do you know that would have killed you? Do you know that?
So why would I never kill me? Do I look like someone who is afraid to die? I've said it before. Why don't you kill me then? If you don't want to kill me, then let me go. Why keep me here and be suffering me for nothing? I was there in cell since nobody gave me food.
See, it seems you do not understand the gravity of the offenses you have committed and the ones levied against you. You have turned to a terrorizing the whole of this state and its environment.
You people should ask yourself the truth now. Which offense have I committed? I did a genuine business with somebody. Because he's a big man, he decided not to pay me. He decided to outsmart me. Okay, I come verse. Go kidnap in children. Kata come boss. Now be the offense. Is it my fault? Okay, if you think I'm guilty, no problem. Take me to court. Why keep me here in the cell? I know my right to see because I'm not supposed to stay past 24 hours for cell. I know my right.
I can see that you are a hardened criminal. But I tell you, we have other ways to deal with handling hardened criminals like you. because you have done that before. The earlier you start talking, the better for you.
I have finished saying what I want to say. Let me go. Moses said, let my people go.
Okay, since this is the way you want it, you will go to court.
What is it? Woman! Woman, don't disturb me with such issues.
Why won't I disturb you with such issues?
Okay, what do you want me to do?
Nai, your only son, I mean our only child, has been arrested since last week. Until now, you have not done anything to get him released. Eh? Do you want him dead?
Listen to me, woman. Listen to me. What do you want me to do? Do I even know where they have taken him to? Look, woman, please let me be. Elunia, let me be.
Nai, let you be.
Yes, let me be.
Let you be. Nai, nothing should happen to my son. Oh. You want to try me? Nothing should happen to my son.
If you want to help your son, go in search and look for him. As for me, I am not interested. Well, let me ask you, what have I not done to make sure he's responsible in life? Or have you forgotten so soon how I sold, including the only portion of land left for the family, because of the boy he killed while he was in secondary school? Have you forgotten?
Must you always remind me of that?
Yes, I have to.
Yes, I have done everything a good father should do. But Izu refused to help himself. And because of this, let him remain there and suffer.
Eh?
Yes, let him suffer.
Hey, Mazu, de my husband. How can you be so heartless? Your only son to remain there and suffer. Eh? Is that all you have to say? Is that your final answer?
Let me tell you, I have done and said everything I need to say. If you want to help your son, please go and help him. Leave me out of it. I am not interested. I have so many better things to think about. Thank you, woman.
Nai, come back here. Come back here.
Wise one. We need your help. We are here for your help. Our boss brought us here first, and he was the person that made us to know this place. So, please, as we talk to you now, our boss is in the police cell. Wise one, please, we really need your help.
Sons of men, save your breath.
Nothing has gone wrong yet. Yes. The arrest came at the right time.
I don't understand, wise one. How do you mean?
Put yourself together. Yes.
This is just to show the people who exactly he is.
Yes. The son of Arusike can never be killed. Yes. So you just go home and rest. Go home and rest, yes.
Hey! Something is wrong.
Hey! Something is wrong. Hey!
This is not what I expected.
The hand holding him is very, very strong. Yes.
As I speak now, they are planning to send him to jail.
Okay, wise one. At this point in time now, what are we to do? What are we to do?
Yes, I will tell you what next to do. This fight is not your fight alone. Hey! Bianco.
Begeja. Bro, me and Tangle. Sir!
Yeah, Inspector.
Yes, sir.
Please, have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, we have succeeded in bringing in Honorable Hyacinth Egu for questioning and interrogation, sir.
Has he said anything yet?
Yes, sir. He has been debriefed, and based on the intel we've gotten from him, it's obvious he actually had a business transaction with that infidel, the criminal vampire, and was at the verge of paying him what is due him before the ugly incident of the kidnapping of those children. We are still on him, sir. We are not yet through with the briefing, sir.
Very good. Inspector, I must say you are doing a good job.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, I like that.
I appreciate, sir.
Thank you very much. One more thing.
Yes, sir.
I want you men
to
use our tactical strategies as police in getting all those associates of Vampire. Get them all arrested. For your information, Vampire himself is going to face trial in the court sometime next week.
I'm aware, sir.
Yes.
I'm aware, sir.
And I would wish that you get them also so that they will all face trial together at the same time.
It's all right, sir.
Is that clear?
Very clear, sir.
It's all right.
Yes, sir.
I think that's all for now. You may leave.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
What did I do now? What did I do? What did I do, officer? What did I do? What did I do now? Hey! What did I do now? What did I do? Officer, what did I do now? What did I do? Officer! Officer, what did I do now? Officer, what did I do? What did I do now, officer?
Shut up, idiot!
What did I do now?
Now, keep quiet now. Why they disturb me? Huh? See, they ask questions, say what you do. The man is still there here. Which kind of rubbish with that? Don't disturb my peace.
Who are you and why are you interrupting me?
What are Sukwamo Igbo? Now me they speak grammar for. Now me they talk to.
How many people were there here?
Now me they talk to.
How many people were there here?
Thunder fire you there. Thunder fire you.
Sir!
Yes, sir, Inspector.
Sir, we have a problem.
A problem?
Yes, sir. The man we arrested yesterday night is found dead in the cell this morning.
Dead?
Yes, sir.
How do you mean dead? What happened?
Sir, that I am yet to know. But he was put in the same cell with a criminal vampire.
How on earth would you do such a mistake? Eh? That cell is for drug barons, assassins, and terrorists. Why would you put him in that cell when you know that we have a general cell for common criminals in this place?
Sir, the man did not appear as a common criminal. He as well behaved like a terrorist. It took over 3 men to be able to arrest him. He resisted arrest and fought us with every arm that was within his disposal.
And so, Inspector.
But, sir, the man is, in fact...
Inspector, that is not an excuse. What you are saying is not an excuse whatsoever. Eh? You may leave my office now, please. Please, leave my office.
Yes, sir.
Oga, I've told you the truth. I've told you what I know. I'm not the one that killed him. What else do you people want me to say?
You are not saying the truth. And that I know.
DPO, I am not the one that killed him. Not be me kill him.
You say you didn't kill him. Why then were there finger wounds on his neck?
Oga?
Yes.
Let me tell you what happened. I don't know if it's a spiritual problem. The guy was choking himself. He just carried hand hold himself on the neck. Only at the struggle. Only he was struggling. Before I know, he was just dead. Not be me kill him. He just strangled himself. Maybe it's a spiritual problem, I don't know. Maybe they don't send something to him from village.
Mr. Man, let me tell you. You have the guts to kill somebody while in cell. You will rot in jail. That I assure you, you will.
That DPO, I thought they fear jail now.
No, they fear jail. No, they fear jail.
Oga? Oga, now because you be DPO, I did yourself.
You feel you are so strong that nothing can happen to you and that you are indestructible. But sorry, the long arm of the law has caught up with you this time around. Just wait until next week, when you will be sent for trial in the court. Then I will come to know who will save you. You bastard. Sarge, come and take this hardened criminal back to the cell. Take him back. Take him back there.
The gift of devil is very bad. Oh, 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 oh. The gift of devil is very bad. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. The gift of devil is very bad. Yeah, 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 yeah. The gift of devil is very bad. This is a beautiful world. This is a beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. This is a beautiful world. This is a beautiful world. This world is beautiful world.
Izuna, what are you doing with this? Izuna, who owns this?
It's my own.
Izuna, what are you doing with a gun?
This is not a gun. It's a toy gun.
Eh? A toy gun, as you call it?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what are you doing with it?
I only use it to play.
Which kind of play? Eh? Izuna, Gene. Do you want to kill me? Do you want people to see this in your hand and begin to believe that you are carrying gun?
Eh? This is not gun. This is just a toy gun.
Shut your mouth up! Shut up your mouth! Do you want me to show this to your father? Eh?
I'm sorry.
Izuna, what are you turning into? What? Hey, Izuna. Hey!
Say, come, leave me alone. I will kill you today. Leave me, come.
What have I done?
I said, come. Come. It's getting too much. Leave me. It's getting too much of you. Leave me alone. What have I done? I've said it. Come. Leave me alone. I will kill you. Leave me alone.
Nai, what is it? Hey, Nai, Ichibu Mado.
Give me one reason why I should not kill him. Give me.
Nai, he's your son.
And that is exactly why I want to kill him myself with my own fist.
What has he done?
Ask your son who gave him a gun. Ask him how he managed to get a gun. It is the talk in the whole village that he now threatens people with guns.
It's a lie.
Now, can you imagine it?
I say it's a lie.
Nai, wait till we begin. That thing is just a toy gun.
Now tell him.
Eh? Don't mind what people are saying. Yeah, but that's all.
Wait. Did I hear you say a toy gun? Oh, yes. So you knew he had a gun and you didn't bother to tell me about it? Eh?
Nah, like I said, it's just a toy gun. Eh? And where are you fed in here? Eh? Izuna, haven't I warned you over this? Eh? I've warned you. Nah, please, wait till no.
I'm going to kill him myself.
Mbano. Nah, what's the please.
Since 2 days ago, it was Nanya Akede that came to report him. What I still do not understand is how he jumped to Nanya Akede's fence to go and see his cash crops. Opanwa!
Not a thief. Now you will kill him. Do you want to strangle him? Please, it's okay now. It's okay. Hey, don't allow your anger to take over you.
Ndị ekwensu kechiri anya fanaba. Ndị ekwensu kechiri anya fanaba. Haji maka ife siri ike weghọrọ ụbarụsị. Ọkwa iji maka ife siri ike welachi ụbarụsị. But now you don't see the repercussion. But now you don't see the drum beat. Oh, now.
Woman, what are you doing to yourself? What is the meaning of all this? Eh? Rapumbiko, just let me be. Do you want to kill yourself for an irresponsible son? A boy who had already chosen his path. He never wanted to be responsible in life. Is it who you want to die for? Eh?
He is my only son.
I already know that. I know.
No, you don't. You don't know. If you had known, you would have gotten him released before now. Yes.
Do you think crying all day will bring him back? Eh? Sitting down here from morning till night will bring him back? So what do you want me to do? Oh, you don't even know what to do and you expect me to do magic, okay? Eh?
I can see that you have given up on your son. You have decided to kill him yourself.
Hey, let me tell you, he is the one that wants to kill me. If I start thinking of all the problems he has caused this family, I will die before my time. Have you forgotten that we were ostracized for 1 good year because of what he did to Mazi Okere's daughter? Which one will I talk? Which one will I not talk? Eh? But let me tell you, what I have heard about this matter is the fact that if they see us around there, they will get us arrested. Let me tell you, the whole thing is much embarrassment, and Mazi Ude do not want to die before his time, and I know you know that.
It's all right, Enai. I've heard you. But I will advise you to do one thing.
What is it?
Start looking for another wife to marry. Because I will kill myself now. I will kill myself.
But it has not gotten to that.
Chief Obakuru n'aka 1. Ọmụnwa Chief Obakuru n'aka 1. Kembu n'obodo a.
Oya ke bụ that's what ya.
Onye mụ na ya na-asọ ya. Ọmụnwa.
Kedu ka mere?
Anyị nọ ya. Anyị nọ na-ekwugharị everywhere na anyị ejizi ụjọ nọ n'obodo a. Ọmụnwa Chief Obakuru n'aka 1 nke mbụ n'obodo a. I know that a day like this will come. Yes, I know that all my enemies will be put into shame. Imagine that small boy, Izuna. Telling me that I don't deserve the title that Igbe gave to me. Who is him? Now where is him? He's dead. Omona.
Huh? We only heard that he was arrested.
Azu? You talk as if you don't know government. Do you know what that boy have committed? Do you? You don't know. Do you know how many persons he has killed? You are talking of arrest. I already know that by now he has been shot.
You mean shot?
Huh. Oh yes! These days I always glued to my small radio, waiting to hear the news of his death. Then I will walk straight to his father, look into his eyes and tell him, "Nto."
No wonder the whole village is rejoicing.
Why can't they rejoice?
The news of his arrest is real. But I pity Mazude.
You pity who?
Mazude.
Don't you know that he's reaping what he just sowed? I even suspecting that he was the one that sent that his useless son to come and molest me after my coronation as Chief Oba Brunapa 1 in Kembu Noboda.
Why are you saying such a thing?
See Azuna, they send you. Don't you know that the heart of man is deceitful and wicked? Okay, well, like as I said, I'm waiting to hear the good news of his death. Then I will know the next to do. I will go to Igbe and tell him to look to this matter properly.
Anyway, I was actually going to see Ugu, the wine tapper, to book wine. Because tomorrow, the suitors coming for my daughter.
See, I almost forgot to. Che, Bigobara, I must be there.
Thank God that.
See, according to what that Baba talks, means say they will soon carry balls go court. And as we dey here, if we allow me to carry balls go court, na for court. It no make sense. So we go do everything by our own power to make sure say we preach them, make them no carry balls go court. That be my own. So make una reason now. Make we know what to do.
So what we go do? Cause me I dey ready for anything. These people don't they do like say they won't overshadow us. Wetin they do for the gods to know them now? Wetin?
See, make I tell you, according to the information we get, that the same money when they carry balls go court. Now that the same money when they judge in case. So we no go allow them at all. We no go allow them. We must preach them. Make sure say we do everything we were supposed to do. Now I walk.
See, spirit. I don't try reason with you talk. Sense down. Yes. But I don't see and say the plan B. Maybe say they go carry and go court. But the plan A will be the major matter. I don't reason am, enter.
See, waiting there be say we go block them. We go make sure say we block them. That particular road they go follow go that court. We go block them for that road. On how we see them, we open fire. On how we open fire, heads begin to roll. You know there,
spirit. I support this one.
Now I walk.
For me, we be Drake, we will make the carry our gun. Go yard. For waiting now. Spirit, we go block them. We go waste people. Kill people. Who does them now? Who them be?
Skele now.
We go.
Let me be Skele, aka Skele. Hear me.
Like that.
Whether we block them or we unblock them, that one no concern me. Wetin me I know be say we must free our boss. We must free vampire. Na vampire matter they wan go judge for court. Dem mad.
One and one.
Wetin dem do? You don't hear say dem judge big matter for court before?
Na dem wan start am.
Abi vampire na their maid. See o. Wetin? No. Maybe sir.
The court is about to start.
Mention your case.